In this video, guys, we will create this game that is blowing up on Etsy. It was only listed a few months ago and it already has over 500 sales. It is an in-demand product and it is also an Etsy pick. Hi guys, I'm Raquel and I am here to teach you how to create digital products so you can start your business quickly, okay? And if this is a video for you, please feel free to subscribe. Without further ado, let us jump into the tutorial, okay? Okay guys, so we are looking at this product here, which is a minimalist who knows the bride the most game, right? It is a modern bridal shower game and it's a printable, digital downloadable file. So I would like us to recreate this, but first let us examine this, right? Let us look at this product. It is a Etsy pick, right? So basically it's Etsy, think this is a pretty good seller. Then it is an in-demand product as well. 8 people bought this. 8 persons bought this in the last 24 hours. Can you believe that? All right, moving on. So 5 persons bought this in the past 7 days, but I believe it is more, okay? And this product was only released in 2023, this year, right? In May of 2023, and it already had 569 sales. Can you believe that? And 56 reviews, right? And 1 review was this week. So 569 total sales. Could you believe that, guys? Okay. So this product is very simple to create, and I would like us to go on into Canva to create this product right now. Okay guys, just before we go to create this product, I would like us to go down to the details, the item details, and just sort of scan through the information that they have there. They have a special going on right now. It is a digital file and the size of the product is a 5x7 template card. So we'll go into Canva and create. Okay guys, so I know that there are a lot of questions around Canva when it comes to creating digital products, and you just have to know how to use the products, right? The elements when you're selling. So basically Canva is okay if you use the elements and you share the template link, okay? But if you're selling just the file by itself or PDF, then it is best that you purchase your own elements to put in the file just to be safe, okay? So if you're selling that template link, that Canva template link, then it is fine, okay? So we're into Canva. Let us go into create and click on custom, right? We already have inches, so just insert the size 5x7 and create new design. Okay, so this is our template card. So guys, I had previously went into ChatGPT and I got some questions. Okay, so I will just simply paste the questions in here. So I will make the questions much smaller. So I'm just doing some tidying up work here. So we can put 20 questions or we can use 10. Right? It doesn't matter really. So let us see what Etsy has. So they have 15 questions. So now I know why they have 15. So this will be perfect. 15 questions. So I'll remove this one. Oh, that's a problem. So in order to kind of make changes to the questions, I will go into Word and just copy this here and make changes. Okay, so you see the thing with Canva, when it comes to numbering, like sequence, to me there's also a problem there, right? Okay, so we have 15 questions here. Okay, so we have the 10 questions here, and I want to put some space between. Okay, so the space here is good. If we want, we can change the font type. I like this one. Very good, nice, neat, cute. And I think we have this. This is perfect. Okay, so this is perfect. So let us insert some lines, and I want to make the line not as thick. Okay, so I will zoom in just so I can be a little more precise with the lines. And the line basically is for your guests to write their answers. Okay, so we'll just double this, duplicate this. Okay, and then I will just speed everything up while I duplicate the rest. Okay guys, so we have this, and then we have to put our heading at the top. Okay, so what I will do is highlight all of this and I will group them. Okay, so I'll be able to move around and make changes as need be. Okay, so I can zoom in, zoom out, make it smaller, etc. Okay, so I like this. Right, so who knows the bride best? Let us go into text again and put our heading. And of course, we'll change to a font that is really cute. I like this one. Okay, so probably we can change this to make it a little fancier. I would also like to let you guys know that you can also purchase, pretty, beautiful fonts from other marketplaces. Even Etsy sell, beautiful fonts that you can easily use in your digital product. So you don't have to just, so you can, kind of spruce up your design without, having to use the same basic fonts that Canva has. They do have some nice fonts, but almost everybody else is using them. So if you purchase some fonts, then your design will stand out from the rest. Okay, okay guys, so this is what we have so far. It is nice and simple, and we also need to put a total at the bottom. So let us put the word total. And we need to, well, I need to put back the line. Okay, so this is lovely, nice and simple. All right, and we have what we can do is put some elements like hearts. This is a pro element, but let us search for the free ones. Okay, all right, so remove the pro and let us use the free hearts. Okay, and I will flip this, right, so it will sort of kind of bring the elements, everything together. Okay, and guys, this is how we create our own. It's lovely. Right, just move this down, so this can get some room here. So this is lovely. This is already looking really good already. Right, look at this. This is so nice and simple, and it is lovely, right? So this is how easily you can create it. And remember, we use ChatGPT to get the questions. Simple and easy, and you can share this as a template. So basically, you can get your link. You can go to share and go to template link to get your link. Okay, so guys, we are not done. We have another one, which is a bingo. Okay, so we will use the same at the top. We'll group this, right? Create a copy, move it down below, right? So we will move this down below, and we have our heading. So now we will go into elements and get a table. Tables, okay? So we have these options. So I prefer this one. I will work with this, and I want to make it a bit bigger, larger. So I just stretch this across, okay? And we can put any amount of questions or so. Okay, so we have this simple table here, and it will be a bingo. Okay, so this is a bingo format game, and we will use the same questions that we have here, right in here. Okay. So now we go into text, and we will simply copy the text box and insert. So we will start filling this up with our questions. Okay guys, so now that everything has filled up, I went to elements again, and I look for line, and I will be using this dotted line so that the guests can answer the question, can write answers in the little box provided. Okay, so I will go ahead and speed up the video while I do this. Okay, so guys, this is our bingo. Oh, let me remove this. So this is our bingo. Who knows the bride best bingo? So I want to insert the word bingo. Okay. Okay, so I will also put some space between the letters like this. I like this. All right, so guys, this is our 2 variation to the game Who Knows the Bride Best. All right, so now when you list your product, because you'll go back to Etsy and you can list your product now, okay, you don't have to sell your item for $2.50. Well, actually the actual price of this is $5, so you could sell yours for $7 or so, because you will be providing 2 design options, right? So basically, in order to download this, you download this as a PNG, but if you are selling this as an editable template in Canva, basically you just go into share and you click on template link. Okay, right, so you click on template link, right, and this is your link. All right, of course you will not give them this direct link. You will create another PDF where you insert the link. And another tip for you is that you can sell these items separately. So you can sell it as a combo, right? And when I mean combo, what you can do is change up the questions in here. Okay, so you can have another set of questions in here and another set here, you know, just to give them that option. All right. Okay guys, so I have showed you how to create the game that is being sold on Canva, and I also showed you another creative way in which you can create the game as well, so you can stand out from the competition on Etsy. I do have a surprise for you guys. If you want the very first template that I have used, the link is below, okay? And I have created several other versions of that game, so if you want this, you can easily purchase this on my website instantrights.com for very affordable price, okay? If you want more tutorials on how to design or create simple digital products, then watch this video next.